8. Calculate the smallest alpha for which this function is differentiable in R. Okay, and this function is the absolute value of a parabola, right? So that means that we have parabola, okay, something like that. It could be like this, or it could be like this. You know, this would be the parabola, and then something like this, or it could be just touching the x-axis at some point. Okay, and also if it's negative, right, it's the same thing, right? So if it's negative, you will get the same thing, but on the other side, so it doesn't matter. So in order for the function to be differentiable in the whole of R, okay, at all points, it means that, you know, if it crosses, if the parabola crosses the x-axis, in those points it will not be differentiable, right? Because it's the composition of the absolute value of those points, it's not differentiable, so it doesn't work. But so if the parabola doesn't have roots, or it only has one root, right, then the function will be differentiable. Okay, so what we need to find is the values of alpha that make this equation have only one root or no root, right? So when we go to find the roots of this, this is 1 minus plus minus 1 minus 12 alpha divided by 2. And if we want either no root or one root, we want 1 minus 12 alpha to be smaller or equal than 0, right? So that means that alpha has to be greater or equal than 1/12. And because they want us to give the smallest alpha is 1/12.